Today I will show how to buy shares of Innovative Eyewear Inc., a company that develops optical frames and smart eyewear, which trades on NASDAQ under the ticker LUCY. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LUCY to find Innovative Eyewear Inc. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ so you pick the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart so you can confirm it is the right security. Check the company summary and that the ticker reads LUCY on NASDAQ. To invest, click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to spend, then carefully review and confirm the order before submitting. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will request you add money before confirming. Once the trade is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform further.